Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you a remote starter on a Mercedes GLS 2018. We've used the mid-seat engineering on this vehicle and we have the system working from the factory remote. We also have a smartphone device. So first we're going to show you the factory remote. Press the panic button once, the vehicle receives the command, the ignition will turn on and the vehicle will crank. The vehicle will be running for a preset of time. You can actually change the time and a few more settings on your dashboard using the factory buttons. The key takeover is very simple. You enter the vehicle. Before you press the brake, you press the push button once and we're going to have a 3 signals confirmation, and that basically will tell us that the vehicle is ready to be driven. I'm going to show you now also how you change the settings. So to change the settings on the vehicle, we're going to turn the ignition, we're going to turn the push button to accessory. So we're going to press once, not twice. So this is twice, I'm going to turn it off, and this is once. So when you press once, you're only in accessory mode. In accessory mode, we're going to change to, we're going to go in the menu here, we're going to go to audio. Okay, and we are in audio. Okay, now we can use the mute button to enter the remote starter menu. So we're going to hold the mute button, we're going to go, okay, and we have remote starter off, so we're going to change the remote starter to on. So we can scroll between the menu by using the volume up and volume down. Okay, and to choose, we're going to be tapping the mute button. So first we're going to go, we have remote starter on. Now we're going to go to the next option, which is timer start. Timer start, basically we can set up a specific time that the vehicle will start. So if we go right now, timer start on, and then saved again, so we're going to have to hold the mute again to enter the menu. If we go to timer start and put it to on, then we go to the next menu and we choose what time the vehicle will start automatically. Next one is run time, so for how long we want the vehicle to run. The next option is our heated seats. So heated seats, it chooses the Fahrenheit. You have 50, 32 and 41. Basically what it means that the system will monitor the vehicle heat, the vehicle temperature, and decides when to turn on the heated seats. I like to have it on 50, that way the system will turn on the heated seats as soon as it gets to 50 Fahrenheit, which is about, I think, 6, 7, something like that in Celsius, but that means it's the fastest way to start it. I'm going to hold the menu again, going to go to the next option. Next option is cooled seats, if we have cool seats. Next option will be defrost. Same situation, I will choose it on 50, that way the system will feel that the vehicle is in 50 Fahrenheit and it's already gonna start the defrost. And the next options we have are more set up for alarm. So if we had an alarm installed in here, or you can actually activate the system to add a shock sensor on it and make it like a factory alarm. But this is pretty much all the options we have. And then you can do a reset, or you can let go, and again it's gonna come out from the setting quickly. Okay, now everything is saved, and that's it. Remote starter for Mercedes vehicles and other vehicles available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.